Recently, the production sector of industrial factory has been extremely adapted to maintain the competitive capabilities in the fourth industrial revolution and the coming of automation system. Cost reduction, increased productivity, connect all related production data, together with energy saving and environmental conservation are the necessary factors to enhance the potential and sustainable competitive capabilities, which is the origin of the best business profits creation. New production technology, working technique, suitable products, and professional consultant also being important factors to make the highest effectiveness to the production improvement. We, Factory Max has the strong intention to be a part of customers' success. With more than 20 years experience of being the distributor supplying tools and equipment for industrial factory. Our concept is to contribute the most benefits to customers. Apart from supplying the quality products, we also introduce the suitable technologies and application for each customer, provide technical training, and work with customer to find out the higher productivity solutions. Recently, Factory Max has the headquarters in Samut Prakarnan branch in Rayong and Nakorn Ratchasima main industrial areas in Thailand. We have Terata Earn Pro Center, one-stop service technical center which let Factory Max can pass the success to customers more efficiently. 1,000 square meters area contains machine, tool, and technology exhibit space, seminar room, meeting room, including the workshop section are organized to provide the highest benefits for customers. We have selected the high-quality products from several leading brands around the world to serve all need of customers for working in production process, which are cutting tool, arbor and spindle, metrology, machine tool, clamping and presetter, smart factory solution, grinding, polishing and deburring, assembly tool, metalworking fluid, lighting and sustainable energy, pollution control, welding, and automation and control. Not only provides the high-quality products, but Factory Max also has the facilities and services to support the collaboration with customers and ensure that they will get benefits from us completely. Warehouse and logistics, repairing and after-sales service, pre-grinding and coating service, mold repair service, customer training and consulting, and application improvement and report. We have several marketing activities throughout the year, for example, exhibition, on-site and off-site seminar, including magazine publishing to update the news and knowledge so far. We promptly work hard for creating customers' maximum benefits. We believe that our professional staff members with our intention would be a part of your success. Your success is our mission. We can maximize your profit.